thanks for tuning in and checking out this video. Today, if you're watching, you want to know how to fix your yellowed headlights on your vehicle. You know, you can sand these and buff these out, but in a month or two, just by buffing the plastic, it fades back out. It does not fix it as good as the way I'm going to show you fixes it. Now you can do this repair on the vehicle or off the vehicle. I recommend taking your headlights out and doing it that way. But on this is a daily driver. Well, fixing to be a daily driver. And the headlights, you have to pretty well take the grill, everything out for this Mitsubishi Endeavor. So we are just going to scuff and mask what we can and do it on the car. But if you can, take your headlights out and do it that way. You want to get you some dull adhesion tape. This blue painter's tape does good. And pretty well go around the edge of your fender and your hood and all that. So when you go to scuff this, which we got a red Scotch-Brite. You can buy these at automotive stores. Once you get everything masked, what you want to do is take your red Scotch-Brite now and just scuff this. I don't know if you can see on video, but you can see how it's dinging the headlight out. You want to do your whole headlight just like that. Okay, so that's got the headlight scuffed. As you can see, it's all dinged down compared to the yellow stock one. So once you get that good, you want to make sure you get these edges the best you can. That's what the tape for, so you don't scuff your paint, because you don't want to touch your good paint if you leave your headlights in the car. I'll be making another video soon of removing headlights and doing this. But once you get that done, you can take you some magazines or masking paper, whatever you got on hand, and lay up here and then tape it all the way around this edge so you get no overspray on your car. Okay, once you get your headlight basically all scuffed and masked, we used actually an old Game Informer magazine to mask around. You can use paper, as I said, or anything if you're doing it on your car. Just do it the best you can. You can do a better mask job than I did. This is just a quick mask job because this thing's got scratches and everything on it. Ain't too worried about it. I would like to be able to see out of my headlights. Okay, once you get that, next step will be to clean this. Once you get your headlight cleaned, you can use alcohol and water. Don't use a lot, just enough to go over it and get the grease and stuff off of it. Just a little bit. You can take a tack cloth and go over this. Don't mash in too hard because it will leave residue. And just go over enough to get all the dirt and grime out of it. You can pick your tack cloth up from places like Advance Auto and you know, Napa, stuff like that. Just call and ask. They got several different brands. Now, once you get it tacked and cleaned, you can take you some adhesion promoter. They make different brands of this. This is Duplicoa. Shake it up and follow the directions on the can. What you want to do is use this adhesion promoter around 2 coats between 5 to 10 minutes between coats to dry. Spray your light coat. Wait about 5 minutes. Spray you another coat. About 2 coats should do it. And you want to make sure if you're doing this outside, do it in a garage or do it under a shade tree. Yeah, shade tree mechanic. Anyhow, because we are under a shade tree. See? Because adhesion promoter, you done can tell a difference. It's not done yet. It's about done. Now we're going to let this flash for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to put clear coat over it. About 2 coats. And we are using this Spray Max 2K clear coat. You can get this at another paint store. This is not your regular clear coat. This is actually got a hardener. And once you activate this can, you got like 48 hours to use it. So this stuff will last. If you just throw a cheap clear coat on this, it could last a year. It could last a couple years. It could last a week. By the way, if you're using this, even though it's outside, wear a mask. Yeah, you can see it's got a warning on it. So we let this adhesion promoter flash, and then we will lay the clear coat to it. But anyway, guys, this is the finished product. If you're looking for something that'll last better than buffing your headlight, then this is the way to do it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Be sure to check out my channel for more how-to videos. Tons more content. Give it a check. If you enjoy it, I appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And comments is always welcome. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.